How to make your Twitter account private. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can make your Twitter account private. Okay, straight into it. So to begin, open up the Twitter app on your phone and then click on your profile picture in the top left-hand corner. Next, scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. On the next menu, tap on Privacy and Safety, and then choose the top option, which is Audience and Tagging. Next, switch on the option to protect your tweets. This will mean that only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your tweets. And that's all it takes to make your Twitter account private. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.